Welcome back to Deliberate Lives. I'm Di, and we're working on cleaning up the property, getting rid of the debris from the trees and brush, the sagebrush that we cleared for the container and for the turnaround and the other excavation work that we did. Right, if you want to rake, I will grab.
Okay.
Unless you want to grab and I'll rake.
No.
Either way.
I got pretty good at raking.
Yeah, that seems pretty effective.
First time I just got an injury. So I really think we need to get this here out of here.
Another load for the dump. And look, our pile is still big, but it's shrunk a lot. Like this whole section on this end, it's completely gone. Thanks to Marie's help. My in-laws are visiting us here at the property, and my father-in-law has a gas-powered chainsaw, and so we're going to tackle this big tree. It got torn out when we were doing the work with the excavator earlier this year, and it's just been sitting there, but we need to get it moved and chopped up so that we can do some other excavation work that we need to do. Wheelbarrow, and we'll put my logs in the wheelbarrow.
Oh, okay.
Because the tractor can't really get through while the truck's here.
Where's the wheelbarrow? Just down there?
Yeah.
I can do that.
Oh, okay. It's down there behind the parcel box, though. You have to go up on the hill.
Okay. I think I can do it. If
Okay.
I can, I'll get it.
Off so when that thing goes, it doesn't whack Dad.
Well, he's not cutting it all the way through.
Oh, he's not? Oh, okay. All right. We've done a lot of work today. The tree will probably get cut father-in-law is helping us with that. And he's, I think, 81. Anyway, and he's very robust, but he still gets tired. And we got tired too. Mike had to work. It is work. And anyway, but the pile that was next to it is now in that trailer. So taking it to the green dump place. Just finished emptying the trailer. That pile over behind it is our pile. Anyway, this is the place we take it to. They accept like all green stuff. All right, we are on.
No, don't worry about being on yet.
So we're rolling this tree over so we can cut the other half of it.
I'm going to start cutting this branch as soon as you start pulling.
Because it's binding.
Go ahead and start up.
Whoa, it moved. Whoa, it just broke right off. No need to cut it. And we're just using the winch off of his little side-by-side. It's doing the job.
You cut through the one too much.
Yeah. I didn't expect it to break.
Well, save you cutting it. It's pretty red on the inside.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Shall we pull that back in?
Yep, and then I gotta go down and
Oh, make sure it doesn't roll back.
I gotta reload my chainsaw. Charge the battery.
Do you want me to stand on it?
No, I want to. Hold on.
It's because of that sagebrush.
Yep.
This is the last of the debris, that pile. And we should get that. I think it's one load, actually a small load. We'll get that taken today. This is the last load of the stuff that we have had sitting forever. I'm sure we'll have more in the future, but I'm so excited to be done with the piles that we've had down here by the container. So pile is completely gone. You can still see all the green needles. I took a bunch of them, but anyway, I'm very excited to have that part done. Having dinner and look at our view.
That's the same deer, mom and two babies.